Hi everyone, this is Mike from Ultimate Tech Hub. Today we will install a new Coax wall plate. First, let's take a look at the required parts and tools, all of which can be purchased at Home Depot or Lowe's. First, you'll need a new Coax wall plate, which costs about $3. Next, you'll need an F-type connector. You get a 10-pack for about $10. Next, a Coax cable stripper, a Coax cable cutter, and a Coax compression tool. And a cordless drill or screwdriver. And remember, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe. It's free. You could purchase each of these tools separately, which would be more expensive. I would recommend buying the Coax cable hip kit for $42. Save some money. Okay, let's get started. First, use the cable cutter to make a clean cut. Looks great. Next, use the Coax cable stripper. Place the Coax into the cable stripper and add a small amount of pressure while spinning the cable stripper. After a few spins, remove the cable. Now remove the silver metallic shield. It's very crucial to remove as much of the shield as possible. This is the most important step because the Coax will not sit flush inside the connector if the metallic shield is in the way. Once the shield has been removed, we can attach the F-type connector. Now push the Coax cable into the connector. Push the connector as far as possible until you see the center core and the dielectric insulator. Next, take the Coax compression tool and place the F-type connector into the tool. Right here. The center core should go inside the black compressor. Next, make sure the cable is secure and then use the black handle to finish the job. Press down hard and that's it. Done. Perfect. Now push most of the cable back into the wall box. Next, screw the Coax cable to the connector on the new Coax wall plate. I have a bracket that needs to be removed before I can finish the install. Your wall box may not have this bracket, so skip this step if you don't have it. Now screw the new wall plate and done. I want to thank everyone for being a part of the Ultimate Tech Hub team. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's free. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. Thank you again for watching.